Welcome to Be Cool Nature YouTube channel and wish you a good day to all. Thanks for watching us to get knowledge about Sri Lankan nature. This video offers the basic introduction about the parts and its function of tree and plant. Do you know what the differences of trees and plants are? Are there any differences or not? You all have seen many types of trees as well as the plants. But you might not understood what are the trees, what are the plants like that. Trees are simply one kind of plant. Cell walls containing cellulose and ability to change sunlight into food through photosynthesis. Within the botanical division of plants, it is called by the Latin term plantae. Trees and plants look different from one another, but some of their differences are detectable only by looking inside the organism. Both trees and plants generally have a structure with roots, stems and leaves. Trees have hard, woodly and tall trunk, but plants typically have multiple soft or slightly woody stems and leaves are close to the ground or they consist entirely of leaves. Trees appear in a variety of basic shapes such as columnar type, pyramid shape and spreading and rounded forms. The height of tree varies from 10 feet to around 250 feet. But plants are very closer to the ground compared to the tree. Trees live longer period of years than plants. It may be about 300 years based on its type, structure and environment condition. But plants live one or few seasons only. So, now you know what the differences of plants and trees are. Even both have such differences, they are similar from many properties. Since here I describe the parts of trees and plants all together with its function. First, you should know the basic parts of tree. The tree must consist roots, crown and trunk or bole. The roots are the major part of tree and most of time they are in underground. If tree has the primary root or taproot, it grows directly downward. Some trees are not consist taproots, only lateral roots they have. Lateral roots are arising from the taproot and have many lateral roots to the tree, and those are covered by tiny root hair. Major function of roots is anchoring the tree to the ground and absorbing water and mineral from the soil. Some plants use their roots for storing of reserved food. Due to this large and huge size of root complex, it helps to prevent soil erosion. Typically, Root complex is spread within 2 or 4 times of crown, and size of it depends on the age of tree, soil condition, type of plant and many things. Next major part is trunk. It is typically columnar shape and mostly takes brown color. The main function of trunk is providing strength and supporting to buds, flowers, leaves and fruits. Also it helps to transport food, water and minerals to all parts of the plant body. It was made by several layers and every layer has their unique function. The outer layer is called as outer bark. The outer bark protects the tree from outside world, continually renewed from inside, and it helps keep out moisture in the rain and prevents the tree from losing moisture when the air is dry. Next inner layer is called as inner bark or phloem, and it is the pipeline through which food is passed to the rest of the tree. It lives for only a short time, then dies and turns to the outer bark. The next inner layer is cambium, and it is the growing part of the trunk. Every season, they add a new layer to its trunk, thus producing a visible annual growth ring in most of trees. Next inner layer is sapwood, and it is the tree's pipeline for water moving up to the leaves. The youngest layer of wood that are made up of a network of living cells, and inner cells are die over the year and turn to the hardwood. The central part of the trunk is a hardwood. This is a supporting pillar of the tree and containing dead cells, stored sugar and oils. Due to dead cells, mostly it takes dark colors and has a high strength. Other most important part of the tree is a crown. They are the topmost portion of the tree that may vary widely based on their shapes and sizes. The crown is the powerhouse of the tree. Crown is made up of the following parts. The first thing is a leaf. The leaves take in sunlight, which reacts with the green chlorophyll to transform light into sugars. The process is called photosynthesis, and the byproduct is oxygen released into the air. Also, leaves helps to filter dust and other particles present in the air, thus keep the air clean and cool. Branches are the one part of crown and arising from the central wooden axis and helps to keep crown strong. Flowers are the most beautiful and attractive part of the tree. It has many varieties according to the size, shape, color and the smell. In addition to being beautiful, flowers have an important job of creating seeds and ensuring the survival of the species. Many flowers that rely on pollinators such as birds and butterflies. Therefore, they have brightly colored petals and attractive scent to attract the pollinators. Flowers that are pollinated by the wind do not need to be colorful or attraction. Therefore, wind pollinated flowers are typically poor in both beauty and scent. Fruit is the edible part of the plant that develops from the flowers. It contains the seeds that gives rise to a new plant. Every fruit has their unique taste and differ from the plant to plant as well as the country to country. We hope to share more details about flowers and fruits with upcoming videos, and only short description is given by this. So, thank you for watching us, and we hope you could get basic knowledge about tree and plants. Further details we'll share with upcoming videos, and please subscribe our channel. Good day.